is the soba, the buckwheat. Yan. Oishi. Nilagyan ko siya ng ice para malamig siya, guys. Tapos, this one is the tsuyu, dipping sauce. Yummy, guys. Let's taste the tempura, the mori awase, vegetable tempura. Dip natin siya sa sauce. Crispy. Crispy siya, guys. Itong carrots. Good din siya. Ating maitake, the mushroom. Crispy, guys. Do you hear that, guys? Yummy. And then let's taste the eggplant. This is so big, guys. Okay, the eggplant. The eggplant is also crunchy. Crispy. Yummy, guys. Yummy. Try this, guys. This summer, really, it is a refreshing summer dish. I do hope that you will like our recipe today. Try to make this soba or buckwheat noodles with the tempura. This is a perfect match and a perfect dish for the summer season. I hope you will give it a try. And thank you for watching. See you on my next videos. Matane! See you again on my next video. Bye-bye!